Did you know that Microsoft 365 Copilot is now up to 40% faster than before? That's right, the AI assistant that helps you write emails, schedule meetings, and manage projects is now lightning fast. This isn't just a minor tweak. It's a full redesign that makes Copilot feel more like a smart coworker and less like a clunky tool. Think of it like upgrading from a slow, old car to a brand new electric vehicle. Everything moves quicker, and the interface is more intuitive. Microsoft has been working behind the scenes to make sure that Copilot doesn't just keep up with your workday, but actually helps you get ahead. And here's where it gets interesting. The new design isn't just about speed. It's also about making the AI more user-friendly, with cleaner menus and fewer distractions. This is a big deal because, for the first time, Copilot feels like it's truly part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. And that's just the beginning. Microsoft 365 Copilot has been around for a few years, but it's only now reaching its full potential. Early versions of Copilot were a bit slow and clunky, which made users frustrated. Imagine trying to type an email while waiting for Copilot to suggest the next sentence. It's like waiting for a slow internet connection in the middle of a video call. That's why Microsoft decided to take a step back and rethink the whole experience. They realized that for Copilot to be truly useful, it had to be fast, reliable, and easy to use. This wasn't just about making the AI work faster, it was about making the user experience smoother. Think of it like upgrading from a basic smartphone to a high-end one. The hardware is better, the software is smarter, and everything just feels more natural. And this is where it gets complicated. Microsoft had to balance speed with usability, making sure that Copilot doesn't overwhelm users with too many features. But wait, there's something nobody's talking about. So how does the new Copilot redesign actually work? Let's break it down. Microsoft used a combination of better algorithms and more efficient code to make Copilot faster. Think of it like optimizing a recipe. You take the same ingredients, but change the order and timing to make the dish come out quicker. The new design also uses a cleaner interface, which means fewer menus and more direct access to features. It's like having a kitchen that's organized and easy to navigate instead of a cluttered mess. Microsoft also improved the way Copilot interacts with other Microsoft 365 tools, such as Outlook and Teams. This means that Copilot can now suggest meeting times based on your calendar, draft emails based on previous conversations, and even help with project management tasks. This isn't just about speed, it's about making Copilot more intuitive. And here's the part most people miss. The redesign also includes better error handling, which means Copilot is more reliable than ever before. Here's the twist nobody expected. Let's look at some real-world examples of how the new Copilot works. Imagine you're in a meeting and need to send a follow-up email. With the new Copilot, you can just say, "Draft an email to John about the project update," and Copilot will immediately start writing the email for you. No more typing, no more delays, just a seamless experience. Another example. You're working on a report and need to find a specific piece of data. Instead of searching through files manually, you can ask Copilot, "Find the latest sales data for Q2, and it will pull up the relevant information in seconds. These are the kinds of tasks that used to take minutes, but now take seconds. Microsoft even improved the way Copilot handles complex tasks, like scheduling meetings with multiple participants. It can now suggest the best time based on everyone's availability and even send out invites automatically. This is the kind of upgrade that can change the way people work. And this is where things get surprising. Let's compare the old and new versions of Copilot to see just how much has changed. The older version was known for being slow and sometimes unresponsive, especially when handling large files or complex tasks. It was like trying to use a smartphone with a slow internet connection. Everything took longer than it should. The new Copilot, on the other hand, is much faster and more responsive. It's like upgrading from a basic phone to a high-end one. Everything just works better. The interface has also been simplified, with fewer menus and more direct access to features. This means that users can find what they need faster without getting lost in a maze of options. Microsoft also improved the way Copilot integrates with other tools, making it more seamless than ever before. This isn't just about speed, It's about making the user experience more natural. And here's the thing that changes everything. What does this mean for the average user? Well, it means that Microsoft 365 Copilot is now more useful than ever before. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a business owner, you can benefit from the new speed and design. Imagine being able to write emails, schedule meetings, and manage projects with the help of an AI assistant that works as fast as you do. This is the kind of upgrade that can save you hours of work every week. Microsoft also made sure that Copilot is more reliable, with better error handling and fewer bugs. This means that you can trust Copilot to do the job without constantly having to fix things. For businesses, this is a game changer. It means that employees can be more productive and companies can save money on training and support. This isn't just about speed, it's about making AI work harder for you. And this is what nobody predicted. Now let's take a look at how to use the new Copilot. First, make sure you have the latest version of Microsoft 365 installed on your device. Once you're logged in, open any app like Word, Outlook, or Teams. Look for the Copilot icon. It should be in the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll see a new, cleaner interface. From here, you can ask Copilot to help with anything from writing emails to scheduling meetings. Just type or speak your request, and Copilot will do the rest. You'll notice that the interface is more intuitive, with fewer menus and more direct access to features. Microsoft also improved the way Copilot handles complex tasks, like finding information or managing projects. This means that you can get more done in less time. And here's what the headlines aren't telling you. So what's the takeaway here? Microsoft 365 Copilot is no longer just a smart assistant. It's now a powerful tool that can help you work faster and more efficiently. With a cleaner design and better speed, Copilot is more intuitive than ever before. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a major step forward for AI in the workplace. As Microsoft continues to improve Copilot, we can expect even more features and better performance in the future. For users, this means that AI is becoming more accessible and more useful than ever before. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a business owner, you can benefit from the new Copilot. This is the kind of innovation that can change the way we work. And this is just the beginning.